Look at this table. This is my salesperson column and this is the sales value of each employee under each zone. I will add two columns. In the first column, I will show the maximum sales amount of each employee, and in the second column, I will show the zone name of this maximum sales amount. I mean, if the maximum sales amount is this amount, so this amount will be in the first column, and in the second column, the zone name of this maximum sales amount I want to show. As I have to find the maximum sales amount of each row, here comes the record concept of Power Query. So let me click on the add column, and from here I will click custom column. This box will show up and I will change the column name max sales. And how to call a record, I will just write underscore. If I click OK, you can see I have got record in each row. If I click on the blank space, you can see this is the field name and this is the value under each field. Now I will convert this record into a list. So let me back to the step, and here I will write a function which is record dot to list. I will just close the bracket and click OK. You can see the record has been converted into a list. If I click on the blank space, you can see this is the row value, but I want to skip the first value which is the sales employee. I'll write a function which is list dot skip. So I will press enter. Here I'll write the function list dot skip. I'll just close the bracket and click OK. You can see the first value is gone. Now I will find the maximum sales amount. So I'll write a function which is list dot max. So I will press enter again. I'll write the function list dot max. I'll just close the bracket and click OK. You can see I have received the maximum sales amount of each employee. Now I will find the zone name of this maximum sales amount. Before that, I will find the call index number of this maximum sales amount. So let me click on the add column again, and here I will click on custom column for creating a new column. Here I will write a function which is list dot position of. In Microsoft Excel, we use match function to find the call index number or row index number, and in Power Query I will use list dot position of to find the call index number of this maximum sales amount. And you can see the first argument is list as a list, so I have to provide a list in this argument. Here I will use the same concept I have just applied earlier. I'll write the record dot to list, and in the argument I'll write just underscore for creating a list, comma, and the second argument is value as any. So I'll click on the max sales amount because I want to find the call index number of this max sales amount. I'll just double click and close the bracket and click OK. You can see I have got the call index number of the maximum sales amount, but I want to find the zone name. So let me back to the step. I will cut this code for future use. Here I will write a function which will be record dot field name to find the field names, and the first argument is record as a record. I will just call the record by writing underscore. I'll close the bracket and click OK. You can see I have got a list, and in each list I have got the field name. Now I will go to the step again. Here I will call the value. So if I write the index number in curly bracket, for example I will write 0 and close the curly bracket and click OK. You can see I have received the first value of each list. So here I will paste the code that I have written lately. I'll just click OK. You can see I have now received the zone name of this maximum sales amount. I will change the header name. The header name will be zone, and I will hit OK. You can see the header name has been changed. I hope you like this video. Thank you.